Let me ask you something. Why does one school day feel endless, but an entire year disappears so fast? I remember thinking, wait, how is this month already over? That feeling is weird and honestly a little scary. So, what's happening to time? And can we actually slow it down? Stay till the end and I will tell you how. Well, hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Khalid Zaman in front of you, and you are watching Brothers English. Think about our daily life. We wake up, check our phone, go to school or coaching, come back, scroll, sleep, repeat. Now be honest. Do you remember what you did 3 days ago? Probably not, but you clearly remember your first day at school, a result day, a moment you were nervous, or a day you were really happy. That's not a coincidence. Our brain doesn't feel time using clocks, it feels time using memories. When life is full of new experiences, our brain records more memories and time feels slower. But when every day feels the same, the brain goes into autopilot mode. On autopilot, time flies. That's why childhood felt slow. Not because time moved differently, but because everything was new. New friends, new classes, new experiences. Now look at life today. Same routine, same places, same screen. Less new memories, so time feels faster. Now, here's the solution. You don't need more time, you need more new moments. Try small changes. Sit in a different place, learn a new skill, talk to someone new, do something you normally don't. New experiences wake the brain up, and when the brain wakes up, time slows down. Time isn't running away from us, we are just living on repeat. So, let me know, did you feel that or not? In the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Assalamu alaikum. See you in the next one, inshallah.